The question says which of the following can act as an acid as well as base, which can show amphoteric nature. Okay, which substance can accept proton as well as donate proton? Species accepting proton will be acting as base, and donating proton will be acting as an acid. Okay, so proton in the sense H plus N. Now pay attention carefully. You can see in all these three options, hydrogen is present, means each and every polyatomic ion, these are the ions. You can see ion, this is also ion. These are all the three substances are having hydrogen, and each hydrogen can donate H plus ion. Okay, means they can lose proton and they can show acidic character. Okay, acidic character. So you can see each compound given here in ionic form, you can see they can act as an acid. Okay, like for example, if I mention this is what HClO3 minus is there. If I remove one hydrogen, so one more negative charge will develop. This is what ClO3 and it is -2 is there. It can liberate H plus ion. If we talk about HS minus, so it liberates H plus ion, then it get one more negative charge. So you can see each substance we can liberate H plus ion, then can show an acidic character. Okay, and since they have a negative charge, means they can easily attract proton, H plus ion. Because if I mention HS minus, we mention this is what H plus, it will convert into H2S. Okay, so any substance which is accepting proton will show basic character, and which is donating proton will be acting as acid, will show acidic characters. You can see in all these cases, this compound can accept proton due to the negative charge and can donate proton due to the presence of hydrogen. Hence we can say all these substances are acting as amphoteric substances. Amphoteric substances are the substances which can donate proton as well as accept a proton. Then we can say option D is correct.